Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Here's how to organize chaos in 60 seconds using Miro AI. Select all your brainstorm sticky notes. Click Miro AI and choose Cluster. Pick clustering by keywords to group similar ideas together, or choose sentiment to separate positive feedback from concerns and neutral observations. In seconds, Miro AI organizes hundreds of sticky notes into clear, labeled groups. No manual sorting required. What used to take 30 minutes happens instantly. Now that your ideas are organized, turn them into actionable formats. Select all your clustered sticky notes and open Miro AI. Use a prompt like, create a summary document organizing these brainstorm ideas by theme, with key insights and recommended next steps. Miro AI generates a structured document from your messy sticky notes. Want to take it further? Select the document and use this prompt. Create a table with columns for idea, priority, owner, effort estimate, and next steps based on this summary. AI Workflows transforms your summary into a trackable action plan. From brainstorm to execution, ready table in seconds. From messy brainstorming to organized outcomes in 60 seconds. Ready to try it? Click the link in the description to see Miro AI in action. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more Miro AI tutorials.